Hello, everyone. Happy Thursday, the day after Christmas. I hope everyone had a great day yesterday. If you celebrate Christmas, I hope you had a great time with family and friends and that you are just fully in relaxation mode, stress free, are enjoying time today with loved ones still. I'm coming at you today with $35 here. We are going to be playing some games. I'm so excited because I have been dying to start playing some games on my channel. So our first game is a seasonal showdown. This is with several people that I'm collaborating with. This is my first collaboration, so I'm very excited for that as well. So here are the people I'm working with or collaborating with. Lils at Lils World 733. Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets, Vicky at Vicky Thinks, Melissa at Melissa Manages 8678, Autumn at Autumn 1492, and me at Doodle Dollars. So go check out these channels. All of us are going to be playing this game. I think we're all doing it in a slightly different way maybe, but we all are participating in this, and we're going to kind of see which of our characters wins the race. So I'm the little groundhog here, Melissa's baby New Year, Lils is Cupid, Vicky is the leprechaun, Autumn is the Easter bunny, and Susan is Uncle Sam. And I'm trying to think of the best way that I should do this, but I think I'm just going to roll 3 times and then color in the dice of the number that I land on, and then I'll add that total up and save that amount. I think that's how I'm going to do it. We'll try that and see how it goes. And if that doesn't work, we can always switch around. So all this money is going to be going towards some type of debt, paying off my car, paying my credit card or my student loans. But I'm really focusing on my car for this coming year. So that's my goal, is to get that paid down to half of where it's at right now. So I really got to start saving. Oh, okay. We're starting off hot here with a 6. Okay, I'm going to use red for Uncle Sam here. And I think I'll color in the whole thing. Okay, second roll, a 2. Yay, that's me. Let's do a little light brown here for the groundhog. Oops. Okay, I hope I'm doing this right. Oh, again, another 2. I promise I'm not cheating, guys. I don't have a weighted die or anything. Okay. I don't know if I'm doing this the right way, so feel free to correct me. I'm just kind of, I don't know. I thought about rolling 6 times, but then if I get all 6s, that really adds up. And I don't have that much money to save. So 3 6s would be okay. That's kind of how I determined how many times to roll. Okay, so that's where we're at with this. And so I need to save 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you guys want to play this game with us, you can download it on any one of our Ko-fis. I believe we all have it linked on there, and it is free to download. You can check out my page. My page is linked in my bio, or any of these channels pages, and you can play along with us. Maybe you can grab some of your friends and do a little challenge with us. That would be fun. Okay, so that is our first little game there. Okay, the next one we're doing is something that I recently created. This is a scratch off. It's called Nom Nom Nation, and this is all the national food days. Well, not all of them, but some of the national food days in January. So you have the date here, and then the day that it is. So the 4th is Spaghetti Day, and then Bean Day, Tempura Day. Anyways, so you could do this as, on the 4th, you scratch and you save that amount. I'm just going to do it randomly because I want to start using it and saving. So, but it's varying denominations from 5 to 10, and you save $100 total. So let's do Cheese Day because I love cheese. Oh, and we got a 10. Okay. All right. So we'll be saving $10 with this one today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, moving on. We're going to do another little scratch off here. This is a scratch off game that I got from Emily Design, and it reminds me of Candyland. So we're going to start here. Scratch off this. Okay, so we have $5 here. This, what does this save? I don't know if it's on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think that's going to be it for this one because I am already running out of money and I have a couple more things I want to play. So, oops, I left $1 over there. Okay, so this by Lovely Budgets HK is kind of like a shut the box game with butterflies, and this is a free download on her Ko-fi. 6 and 1. Let me use purple actually. So we got that one and that one. 4. I guess maybe I should only use 1. I really only need 1, don't I? Oh, I already got a 1. So does that mean I save 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? I guess I saved 10. Okay, that was really bad for this first round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. Perfect amount. Okay, so those are all the games for today, guys. I just had a small amount to play with. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a like, thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and go check out these other channels that I mentioned. Get your seasonal showdown game. Get started saving for 2025 with us. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day.